Good morning student. Welcome to EVS class. Students, today we will learn new lesson Web of Life. So remove your textbook. Page number 158. Your lesson 24 Web of Life. In this lesson, students you learn natural thing can be living on non-living things. Plant, animal, and humans are living things, whereas hill, soil, sun, etc. are non-living things. Now, students, see web of life. You seeing first upon a picture. Now, see for I draw here boy's picture. Now, see students first upon. For example, a bird. Bird, living thing. So birds needed to grass. Also birds needed to plant. Same thing moon. Already you need moon. And next cow needed to grass also. Ear. And also cow need sun from breathing. Next rat needed soil. Rat doing brew you his house, so he needed soil, and soil also you need. Next house, you also needed house. Ear, you also needed plant, vegetable, fruit. Now see next, sun, you also need sun, you also need water. Squirrel need water, snake need water also, snake need air, and also snake need soil. Now see students, this is the web of life. Web of life means the environment in which we live constants of plant, animal, air, water, sun, etc. And all these thin environment interdepend each other. Now see, by now you must have read almost the complete book. You have read about trees, water, house, animal, vehicles, and many other things. You must have thought about them as well. Can you tell why did we try to know and think about all thin all these things? Now see your answer. We try to know all these things are inter part of our life. Our life depends on all these things like trees, water, house, animals, vehicle, and many other things. We can see this all these things. These are very important part of our life. That is why we try to know and think about all these things. Now you already seen each other depend all. For example, sparrow uh, needed plant also, sparrow needed grass also. Now next, how are we linked to the thing shown in a picture? Come, let us find out. First of all, draw your picture in the blank space. Student, first of all you draw this picture web of life. Next page. Now join your picture with lines to all those things which you feel are needed for you to live. Now already here you join needed, for example, snake needed water, snake needed soil. Same thing, cow needed water, cow needed grass, cow needed sun. Have you joined your picture to the house? Yes, I have joined my picture to the house. Now see again this picture. Your house you joined. You need a house. Now let's see with what other thing can we join the house to think what is house made of. The web made by the children will help them appreciate of thin in the environment. Now, wood which comes from trees, bricks which are made from water and clay. Clay we get from the soil, and water we get it from river, pond, wells and rain. It must be clear to you with which picture or verse you need to join the house. In the same way, join all the things with other things related to them. While doing some, you might need to write and names of a few more things. For example, students, you also do this web of life other diagram. For example, animal, wild animals, and needed. For example, you draw here tiger, and you draw here grass. Tiger needed animal here. Tiger needed animals. He ate animals, rat, cow. So other diagram you draw and discuss. What have you finally got? A big wave, isn't it? What can you understand from this wave? Yes, I got a web after joining all the things which are related to each other. I can understand from this web that all things are related and necessary from each others. Share your web with your friends. Also have a look at the web made by your friends. Are they all alike? Yes, all the web drawn by me and my friends look alike. Discuss with your friends. Here your chapter 24 completed. Now see your workbook page number 90. Chapter 24 Web of Life. Let us recollect. The environment in which we live constant of plants, animals, air, water, sun, etc. All the things in our environments are interdependent on each other. This interdependence make the web of life. Students, interdependence means each other. The thing that we see around us are either natural or man-made. Plant, animal, mountains, water, soil, rain, wind, etc. are natural things. Chair, table, car, books, pencil, etc. are man-made things. Natural things can be living or non-living. Plants, animals and humans are living things, whereas hill, soil, sun, etc. are non-living things. All living things depend on non-living things for their survival. Now, exercise. First, draw any four natural things and write their name. Students, you draw your ones. Now, so see here plant. Second, fish. Here draw fish. Write name. Same thing bird, sun. Draw any four man-made thing and write their names. Same thing here chair, car, phone and book. Living things different from non-living things in many ways. Read the sentence given below. Write L for living things and NL for non-living things. First, they cannot move. NL, non-living thing. They need food. Living thing, you write here EL. Move out next page. They produce young ones to their kinds. Living thing, L. They breathe, living thing. They do not grow, non-living thing, NL. Write any one natural thing needed by. Now see this animal needed by food. Animal needed food, water. Plant needed water, air. Fish needed water. Sparrow, bird needed food, water. We are all depend on thing in our environment. Write down first four thing we get from plant. food, oxygen, wood, shade. Fourth thing we get from animal: milk, meat, eggs, blankets. Fourth, activities from for which we need water: drinking, bath, cleaning, washing. Two uses of sun: solar energy, heat. Two uses of air: breathing, maintaining temperature. Two uses of soil: planting trees for food cultivation. Here your chapter 24 completed.